Digilent offers their PYNQ-Z1 board, which is a hardware platform designed to be used with PYNQ, an open source framework that allows embedded programmers to utilize the capabilities of Xilinx Zynq all-programmable SoCs without having to design programmable logic circuits. The all-programmable SoC is programmed using Python, and the code is developed and tested directly on the PYNQ-Z1. The programmable logic circuits are imported as hardware libraries and programmed through their APIs in essentially the same way that the software libraries are imported and programmed. The software running on the ARM A9 CPUs includes a web server hosting the Jupyter Notebook design environment, Linux, the IPython kernel and packages, and a base hardware library and API for the FPGA.